Hello, welcome back to AI Medical School. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Vigor Tablet. But before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up. Vitamins are chemical compounds. They play an important role in normal growth, development and function of the body. Multivitamin supplements are required when inadequate amounts are ingested because of poor nutrition, certain disease, and in pregnancy. Its indications are: multiple vitamins is primarily indicated in conditions like malnutrition, vitamin deficiency, and can also be given in adjunctive therapy as an alternative drug of choice in chronic alcoholism, G disorders, pregnancy, recovery from surgery, severe burns. Its contraindication: multiple vitamins is contraindicated in conditions like hypersensitivity. Its side effects are: the severe or irreversible adverse effects of multiple vitamins, which give rise to further complications, include urticaria, angioneurotic edema, jaundice, peptic ulceration, pulmonary edema, cyanosis. The symptomatic adverse reactions produced by multiple vitamins are more or less tolerable, and if they become severe, they can be treated symptomatically. These include weakness, headache, nausea, diarrhea, restlessness, abdominal pain, pruritus, tight breathing, itching, skin rash, sweating, hypotension, flushing, tingling, G disorders, skin dryness. Warnings are: multivitamins should be used with great caution in gallbladder disease, glaucoma, past history of jaundice, liver disease, and peptic ulcer. High-risk groups are: if prescribing authority justifies the benefits of the drug against the possible damages, he or she should reevaluate them and consult the reference material and previous studies. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.